In this video, I will help you to remove fake alerts and pretty annoying advertisements that are related to the site Content-lib.biz. Content-lib.biz is a deceptive website. It may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers, and this website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on the Allow button. The website says that people need to do that in order to prove that they are humans and not robots. The reality is that to click on Allow is very dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. You will be, first of all, redirected to some other questionable sites, and also very soon you may start receiving a lot of advertisements that will keep attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. It's a mistake to click on Allow, and if you have done that, you should fix your browser urgently. Go to the menu, go to Settings. Now you should select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Carefully research all these websites that are permitted to display notifications, and if you find this Content-lib, go ahead and remove it from the list, and remove other junk sites too. I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install it, and then begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.